Shenseea Lighter Challenge is currently underway on Instagram.
Right now, we're helping producers to find singers.
No.
So, I call out the singer them, so producers, you can see what I go on our page, see the new talent them. Go for them. Knife it.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Where them a try Shenseea. When the bright lights start to fade. Higher up, yeah. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So if you can sing and you like Shenseea Lighter song, well, this is the perfect timing for you because you can sing right now and tag Shenseea and Tarrus Riley on Instagram and they will repost you. Now, Shenseea made a video and she tell us that she launched the challenge. However, I'm not clear what the rewards are like. I don't know if she go no money or I don't know if it's a record deal or whatever. She never said. So I'm going to show you the video and I'm going to show you some of the other video them of people that enter the competition so far, our challenge so far, right? A fun people, you see what I say? And everything about money or something with reward. That is fun. So if you're a Shenseea fan, you can, do your thing and you never know what can happen. But hear what Shenseea say.
All right, let's settle this, shall we? Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light. You make me feel. Calling all of my singers them, hit this note, post it on your Instagram and tag me so I can repost you guys. Tell me if my song make you feel
Yo, go on. Big up Shenseea. So far, I see some people take the challenge, right? When I see none stand out way out, there was a really good one, but the thing is, it was long and it have the beat on it, so I never want to really use it in that video. I want to have to see that on Lady Shen Gram, right, per Instagram or per my Instagram at Dancehall IG because as I said, I want it kind of longer than the rest of them. But I have some people for sure now, right, where so far they might do the challenge. But before I show you the regular people, then I go show you one artist who give it a shot, a Rastaman, see? So Protege gave it a shot. Now, these are just fun people. I think Protege really did a try to hit the note, but him doing best, and we have the video. Shenseea make a little comment, caption with it. So here goes Protege singing Tarrus Riley and Shenseea Lighter.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, blow on with the waves. Makes me feel lighter. Makes me feel lighter. Makes me feel
Yeah, man, big up Proto. Me like to see how Protege become like a mainstream personality. And why I say that? Because we see him on live with Popcorn and now for see him do things like this. Probably I saw him stay a long time doing it, people. Probably he's a man where, you know what I mean, been a fun person, but now we just a seed on the media. You see me, I say I'm very active on the media, and like you see me participate in things like these, and it's just fun. So big up Proto for that. You see me? So with that, Shenseea post the video and she had a caption and she said, at Protege, somebody said the gas done in your lighter. Sparks, yeah, my friend. Hashtag lighter challenge. Right? So she does make fun of him. But big up the Rastaman for that. You don't know how it go. You see me, I say. And then the Rastaman, the funny song too, it's Tarrus Riley. You see me? So that song, yeah, it do things, people. It's already on the reggae Billboard charts, right? I don't remember exactly which number it was or wait they know, but it's on the chart. I want to know see a Russian producer. So, you know, pretty soon it'll probably be international. I don't know, but hopefully something big come out of it. You see me, I say, Tarrus Riley, I want an artist I'm a rate. I don't know, rate Shenseea as well. You see me? And Russian, I represent for overseas. So big up everybody involved in that. But now let us take a look at some of the other contestants or entries into this challenge, right? So we are going to look for some of the other video them. Here goes.
When the bright light starts to fade, yeah, just fire up your lighter, float on with the waves, yeah. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter, yeah.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighters, float on with the waves, and you make me feel lighter. Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, you fire up your lighter, float on with the waves, you make me feel light. Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves, you make me feel lighter. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, flow along with the waves. You make me feel light.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, flow down with the waves, and you make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade,
Baby, with the firelight start to fade.
fire up your lighter,
Fire up your lighter.
roll up with the waves.
Yes, people, so far that's some of the people that will take the challenge, and we see all kind of ages, and we even see a child at the end where the mother sing, and the mother sound good to you, I think she should do a challenge, right? And the child repeating the words, right? So we see say there's no age restriction, there's nothing on it, you know what I mean? Anybody can do it. Also, there were male just doing it too. You see me I say, me never really put no man in this, but man make video. Me see Shenseea post a man, but him probably does sing the song too, that's why I'm gonna use it. But you know what I mean? Anybody can enter. So big up Shenseea upon that. Now the next thing I want to show you Raja and Shenseea just having a whole good time. You see me I say, good old time. You know, Shenseea and Raj just chilling. So I'm gonna play this video for you. So take a look at this video.
You want some food here? Want some food?
Are you bringing food for me?
Yeah, we're gonna get food.
What are you gonna get?
I got food already. Rice.
So what are you gonna get for mommy?
I don't know what you. Auntie didn't tell me what you needed. What do you want? Auntie will make it.
I think I want Rogero's hand to eat.
What the hell?
No. Papa Tata,
What the heck?
behave yourself. Yes, that's what I want to eat. Can I have it?
You want to kill me?
I never said I was gonna kill you.
Why don't you eat my hand off?
Because you're offering me food, and that's what I said I wanted. I want your hand to eat.
Why you want my hand to eat? Are you a vampire?
When you poop, you put sting grudge. Hey, don't poop that stink, you know? No, brother. How you eat too much rice, brother? Too much rice, man. I need some vegetables, Raj. That poop that too stink.
I eat spicy rice.
Mm-hmm.
I'm too boring.
What?
I'm so bored.
Yeah? Go read a book.
I read a book already.
Well, go do some maths.
You know, it's some math. And I said, And said, Mommy, how do you get these holes in the air?
In my what?
Holes in the air.
I pierced it with a needle.
What the? That's pointy.
Mm-hmm.
That could kill you.
Ish.
It didn't hurt at all?
It did hurt.
How? It hurt painfully. It just started bleeding?
Never bleed really. Just a little shot.
Who did it?
The person who does piercings.
What's his name?
I don't remember, Raj. No long this now.
You don't remember nothing.
That brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you just subscribed, welcome to the family. And thank you to all my long-time subscribers. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to black.